Hello everybody, tonight today was a nice day. And tonight I want to make it clams, spaghetti with the clams sauce. And I got everything over here. I was washing the clams really good. And I got my spaghetti. I got a fresh nice basil, white wine. I got a garlic, butter, and parsley. And tonight I did appetize. I was making nice fresh pizza dough. And I was making this. And we saute onion and bacon. It's so beautiful. Look at this inside. It's so good. Look at that.
Hello, Michelle.
And with a little wine, it goes really good. Salt and chin chin. Okay. Now, to start, okay, take the pasta a little longer. We start with the pasta. I salt already the water. Okay.
How many minutes you gotta be cooked? The pasta?
The pasta, it's about 11 minutes. You gotta cook 11 minutes. Okay. Now the pasta, it's in the water. Now let's start with the parts over here. It's for the clams. And I put the gas on. And I want to bring the garlic over here. E salute cin cin everybody. And thank you so much for your support. And thank you for the start. Cin cin. Alright, and now we put oil. This is nice. I like this oil. It's really good.
Hello, Sandra.
Okay, and the oil is enough. And now we got the garlic. The garlic I chop really, really thin. And we put right over here. I think I forgot to say, I got the white wine. Maybe I said that. I got wine for the clams. We load the gas.
O, dzień dobry. Hello, Tony. This is our special. Our special clams is the
My
best.
wife, if she go to the store, forget it. That's all she wants, the clams.
Yeah, Michelle, this is the thing we did before, little appetizers, really, really delicious. We have to do video of that. This is especially like for Thanksgiving or the holidays, like a little before eating. Something different.
Let's turn the spaghetti.
Hello, Leslie.
I don't want to stick it together. Divina con c'è.
Hello, Luis.
Come t'ha fatta mamma io saccio nel
Hello, Bill. Ah, you making dinner? What are you making tonight?
Uh-oh. Hey, my garlic. I don't want to burn my garlic.
Ooh, it'll be nice and... Yeah, we have video oreganata, clams oreganata. If you go on his website or Sarah recipe on YouTube.
With the salt.
I love some Switzerland. Wow.
I love the Switzerland.
It's late already over there.
Put a little black pepper.
Short ribs, smoker. Yeah, it's delicious too.
Yeah, I got it good.
Oh, you didn't put here.
You don't sit down? I'll make it the food. You can take out the pepper over here like this.
It's time to buy new one. Huh?
It's enough.
Salut, chin chin. Leslie.
Chin chin. Salute everybody. Thank you so much for the stuff. Chin chin.
Yeah, you always put hot pepper. It tastes better.
I like to put a little parsley to give a nice.
I know we had today little rain too and the weather changed. It's colder. Chin chin, Michelle.
All right. Uè Maria, quando suonaggia persa che te fammi dormire, la notte abbracciata che te.
No, he did not. We have to buy in the store.
What are you gonna find?
The clams.
Oh yeah. Thank you. Chin chin.
I wish we could do it, but not yet.
Okay, now this is the clams if you're ready. The same with the spaghetti.
Start open up already.
Yeah. You see, when you do the clams, make sure the cover and the clams is steam, it open. When you start to open up, make sure to turn off the gas, not leave it cook too much.
How many clams? How many cups?
Well,
Wow.
this, I think it's a double fat cup of clams. This is the clams, it's like an egg cup. Double. Yeah, we got over here, it's 50 clams. I think for me and my wife, we got enough. 50 clams. But my wife, she take more than me. She take a 30 and she give it to me 20. Look at that. See, start open up. Look at this.
Yeah, this was a little bigger size, but it's called little neck, but they were on a bigger side. Little. But still, they're really good. It's from Sandy Hook. It's close by.
Yeah, Sandy Hook, it's really close. We can walk over there.
Not really walk.
Well, it's not too far away, Eva. Sandy Hook. Chin chin. Oh, I was finishing my donuts over here with the onion and the bacon. Look. Good.
Dobry wieczór. Yeah, we have Clem's Casino. We do have a video of that also. This is like very quick dinner.
I want to leave some of the water salted for the pasta after. Okay.
Hello, Maria.
Sani the water for the clams who went up in the pasta, like this I got it. Okay, still it's a little bit al dente. And let's check the clams.
Oh, they open.
Look there. Look there. Look there. You start open. A little bit more, I'll turn off.
Yeah, we do have bracioli recipe. If you go on his website or Sarah recipe on YouTube. Los congili we don't have yet.
All right.
Okay, perfect.
The pasta ready.
I hope you not live too far from us.
We drain the pasta.
Put the water out. The cold water.
Okay. We put the pasta back over here. Yeah, I got some of it.
Yeah, arancini we do have also video. If you go on your YouTube or Sarah
Put
recipes.
a piece of butter. Okay, I want to turn this with the butter. The pasta. It give it more taste good. Really creamy.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, so let me go over here now.
Well, you need to wash in cold water with salt. He always puts salt in the water to take all the scent out. Yes.
Okay, the clams is open. And I want to close. Turn the gas off. And now.
Thank you, Enza.
All right, I got it over here. And the clams. Look how beautiful. Okay, now we need the little.
Yeah, you put salt in the water, yes.
Okay, and we close it again. And like this, it got some clams. It's you don't really open it, but with the cover, you open. And now, you go over here. I got this, and let's paste my clams. And I like it.
Yeah, he saw clams with the water with the salt few times.
I want to wash this basil. Look how beautiful basil I got.
If you go to his website or Sarah Recipes on YouTube,
Okay, I like the basil. So good. Okay, a little extra parsley. It will give a nice turn on this.
beautiful.
The taste of the clams with the water, so good.
Did you put pasta water inside?
I don't need it. I don't need it. You got enough water. And I don't need it. I got a lot of water on the clams. I showed everybody. Salute Chin Chin, and thank you so much for your support, and thank you for the stuff. Chin Chin, salute, and I want to show how many water still I got in the clams.
A dziękujemy.
And look, you got a lot of water over here, and I don't want to use the water pasta, because the clams, it make a lot of water, and I got enough. But like I said, see you need, you can use, look, I also put on the side over here the water. Okay, thank you so much everybody, and thank you so much for the start and for your support. Thank you.